On the side navigation, click on Products. From the drop-down menu, select the channel you want to edit, example Google. Click the Columns button on the right side of the table's action to open the columns modal. In the modal, go to Product Categorization and select the following: Product Type Level 1, Product Type Level 2, Product Type Level 3, Product Type Level 4, Product Type Level 5. After selecting these fields, click Save. Filters are optional, but you can use them to refine your results. For example, click the Filter button to see various options for refining the result. For example, select Basic to show details like title, description, ID, and more. For example, click on Title, add a condition like Title contains wool, and hit Apply. This will display all products with wool in the title. Choose the rows you want to update, whether one, multiple, or all, from the checkboxes. Click the Edit button, which will open a modal with the product type fields. Enter the product types in the appropriate fields, such as add wool socks to product type level 3, add Australian-made socks to product type level 4, add non-elastic top socks to product type level 5. Click Save to confirm your edits and update the selected products. Your products are now fully categorized with all product type categorizations from 1 to 5.